Okay, this is what I got for you today, guys. I got some purple power degreaser. I got some of the Palm Olive Ultra strength and some rags and some brushes because we got to clean this beast. I mean, I finished the disassembly. There's nothing nothing left on there except for the side door markers, but these right here. But I can take those off if I want. I don't know if I'm going to. I don't think so. But I got to get the old Honda a bath. As you can see, you know, this is what hides underneath the panels the entire time. You get all kinds of dirt and grease in there. Everywhere you have moldings and trim. Now, most people don't even take these off, but I decided to take those off in the lower. They like to mask those up, but I'm probably going to get new ones. But this trim right here wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. It just came right off. Now these door trims right here, they're really tough to get out. You got to get your hand behind there and push the clips up. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and give her a bath, and then I'll bring y'all back, see if we can't get it cleaner, and then we're going to start the sanding process and start the body work. Okay, so here's where I scrubbed with the brush. All up in the channel, up here, all the places where that dirt was hiding, underneath the trim molding, up in the gas, here, down here, all around the window channel. And now all I gotta do is rinse it off, and then we'll move on to the next process. Okay, so I went ahead and put the Palm Olive on there, scrubbed it a little bit, cleaned it up, gotten all those areas that had dirt and stuff on them. Tried to get it nice and clean in there for you guys. And y'all might be wondering why I put the soap on dry. I put it on the top of the car, on the back, because as I'm scrubbing this stuff, the soap runs down the sides, and then I keep using the brush in all the hard to get places, and then I'll come back up here and wet this some more and get more soap. That way everything ends up on the ground. All the dirt, grease, and debris flows down. But it's pretty clean for just a once over. Now we'll hit it with the Scotch-Brite, get all that cleaned up, and we'll begin the sanding process. That's going to be the next hurdle. You know, it looks so clean now and nice. It's almost a shame to paint it. But yeah, you have to get up in here real good, guys. That's one of your problem areas right there. It's got to be really clean and good. But anyway, guys, that's pretty much all I got for this video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification icon, the little bell icon. And thanks for watching, guys.